As you think about getting your carpets cleaned, one of the things you may want to know is, are carpet cleaners insured? Whilst no one wants to have a situation where insurance is necessary, it's very comforting to know that it's there. Also, many of the fly-by-night type carpet cleaners aren't insured, so it's a good way of judging whether they're legitimate. Sadly, the ones not insured are also likely to be the ones to cut corners or use incorrect methods, thus increasing the likelihood of a claim arising. Sadly, being insured is not a legal requirement. It should be. At A.C.S. we have full cover, as I'll explain. Here's the certificate. We're covered for damage to your carpets, furniture and other items. We're covered for injury to you and us and others who may be involved. We're covered for damage to your home and other property, so you can rest assured we have full cover for all situations that may arise. Now, that doesn't mean that carpet cleaning is dangerous, because it certainly isn't. Using our fast drying premium service, it's actually impossible to shrink or stretch your carpets, unlike some other systems that use a huge amount of water. We use wool-safe approved products on wool carpets and man-made appropriate products when cleaning synthetics, so we're both safe and highly effective. Now, whoever you choose to clean your carpets, it's good to know that they have proper insurance cover. Even if it's never needed, it's just good to know that it's there.